Hey everyone, so in this video we solve a very simple question, display longest name. So I think it's simple question, I think you understand. You have some arrays of given array and you have to find the longest string. Okay, so in this question you have 5 string of array and you have to find the longest one. Okay, so first of all I will tell you the equation. Given a list of names, define longest name. The input statement to solve our program with easy method. First line of input that's considered integer t. The numbers of test case each test case when where be 2 lines. First line contains n. The total numbers of names. Second lines contains n space separately named. Okay, so it's very easy question. I think most of you viewer are solve easily. Just make array and fucking things. Just go and make a Java class string loan. Okay, so first of all I will increase my size. Okay, then main method, and now use scanner for test case. How many tasks you have to perform. Okay, it's an enter, and now onwards you want a one for loop for beginning. How many tasks you have to perform. Plus, and now onwards you have to declare one n size of array but next int, and now onwards string simple string and double quotes and empty, because in future I will explain you. And now one for loop int I equal to 0, I greater I less than and I plus, and now onwards if string s equal to so dot next int. Okay, both are s's. Okay, just give one s1 and cut line. Okay, and now onwards you have to give one condition. If s dot length is greater than s1 dot length, then you print s1 equal to s. Okay, and simple, our program is completed, and now s1 is okay. So our program is completed. Now onwards you have to compile this program. There is one error, I will solve it. Where is the error? No, I will run and then check. Okay, yeah, I got it. Sometime it will give you error. Don't worry, just change. Okay, so our program is fine, it's run fine. Okay, so work here. Test case, I want to perform 3 tasks. My name Sohan Verma S and my channel name krsocode. So krsocode is the longest name. I will explain you one more time. First of all, t test how many tasks you have to perform. Then one loop, how a task will performing 2 times, it will 2 times. Then initialize number of array size of a string loop, then string, and then we are printing our condition. First loop for beginning and size of array, and then string, and then we are not comparing one length s and length 1s. okay, so last s1 is printed. So thank you guys. If keep subscribe my channel.